Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's 26 December. We don't have probably too much time. New Year's is coming, so I wish you a good party. But before that, let's have a look where we are with Bitcoin, ETH, and ALTs. So high level, nothing changed, but we need to take care about it. That's the chart you need to be aware right now, and I have to be aware because I also am going to trade it. So on the 12-month bucket, on the 6-month buckets, look, there was no single month to. So where we are when you compare the 6-month buckets, we are the best timings to compare right now is to we show the history here. Look, we have the latest dump, the pullback, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. The dump 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So we are here. I can also plot the other, make it a bit more visual, but basically that's the candle we are waiting for. So let me maybe make it a little bit more visible. Give me one more second. So basically do this candle here, this candle we are waiting for. So it will be here, but what I want to, it will be actually, next to it here. What I want to tell is actually, look, every single candle almost was opening with the wick to the bottom. You see here, wick is the moment when the price is reaching kind of the bottom before exploding to the upwards. We always have this momentum for ETH and all other cryptocurrencies. Before going high, it will go down to liquidate, to grab the stop losses for the retail, the easy stop losses. I was usually also putting my stop losses there, but I don't do it anymore because it doesn't make sense. The price really 9% goes there, and that's kind of the easy money. Yes, you may lose it if, let's say, you wait for the week will never come. Then you may lose it. You can say you will miss the opportunity. Yes and no. You can always, if it will not come and the time will pass, you can start adding later level. And the second, we speak futures. We have spot and futures. So for futures, if you are not, into the detail and you put price too high and the price still go below, it may liquidate you, right? They are liquidating, every market makers are liquidating many of retail traders every single day. So if your budget is not that big and the position too high, you will get liquidated. That's why if you want to open the big position, I think we still need to have patience to wait for the beginning of January, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open quite a big position for ETH especially, but Bitcoin can do as well. But I need to get a good low, and that's what I'm hunting for right now. So yeah, just to share my thoughts here, I'm waiting for the repetition of this week here. I want to get this level. It doesn't mean it has to be 70. I don't see a chance for this, okay? But I do say, and I do think we can go a little bit lower, like even to 92, 97, or even keep the same price. But I want to see the price action in January. We have still December. I want to see January. What will happen in Jan? And this is the key. I want to wait for this moment. I can get the worst price, but I want to wait. And I think this is what you should do too. Unless you are in the position since before, that you are an amazing guy, and congratulations. So ETH looks exactly the same, and we are going to have a good candle in Q1 2025. I don't think we'll be that high because, as we know, Solana is taking over ETH for many reasons, but ETH still can show up, and you cannot neglect ETH. ETH has still also strong fundamentals, and that's something we should be aware about. Yes. So the next chart, that's exactly what I wanted to show you. Look, if we compare Bitcoin in the shorter time frame for gold ETF, this is where we are. This month here, we could compare to December if we just compare the start of the ETF trading, okay? So it closed on the red, and look, there was the week to the really low stop loss, and then 1, 2, 3 months only up, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, until July, but with the first decent pullback in around April, May, and then back. So that's what I'm expecting as well. Not expecting, but to be considered. But okay, if we zoom out where we are here, right? Just nowhere. See this move compared to where we go, and that's exactly what I think will happen to Bitcoin. So in the next 5 years, we can easily reach 1 to 2 million, and that's where you need to hold the spot. So the spot is an option, but not easy is the futures. Futures can get liquidated very soon, right? So yeah. So that's the outcome from this video, from this comparison here. The December, just leave it closed. We need to have a bit more patience and see how it will open in January. Not forgetting about inauguration. On the weekly time frame, this looks fine. Actually, there was a dump. There was now support doing the job, right? We need to confirm the support. It not became the resistance. Like here, there was a trend line, but for now, if it's holding well 3,200, then that's something to hold over the next 2-3 weeks, and then we can see the pump. On the next chart on Bitcoin, we can see the RSI very nicely not coming yet to the top even. So that's why we have still a lot of room for further movements. That's the lower time frame for Bitcoin. Nothing interested to see here, I would best say. I would still wait. And this is Ethereum on weekly basis. We are tracking where we are. I was trying to compare that similar price action was here, right? But yeah, every time is different because of different reasons. And we have still January coming, inauguration day, 20th of January. So let's have a look. The next one, Ethereum to Bitcoin. This chart is showing us the strength of ETH versus the Bitcoin and how it looks like. So Ethereum dumped a little bit again, but wasn't dumped. We have a bottom out probably already in November, right? When we have a big jump of the price for ETH. And now we are consolidating, but this is the bottoming out period. Whatever time in the past it happened, we had the decent moves afterwards, okay? So we have where to go, and ETH can still pop up significantly. Then Bitcoin dominance, we are tracking this chart very carefully, and now we can see that Bitcoin is playing around the support resistance and see how it will go. Break, keep it or not. Let's monitor it closely. But if we look to the past, this situation already took place before. We can do it like this, even doesn't matter. The time, what matters is time. And we say about 20 January is inauguration, and around 30th of January is the time when the price usually was consolidating. So let me have a look. Let me show you. If I put on the left chart and a little bit increase it, look what happened. This was the previous chart. Like we always had this time to consolidate. You see, there was a trend reversal, consolidation, and the follow up. So trend reversal, consolidation, and follow up. And the same here, trend reversal, kind of consolidation, and then follow up. And that's what I would expect here, trend reversal, consolidation, and then follow up. That's something may be coming, may not, but if situation repeats, we would will see. Crypto total market cap, excluding top 10. So these are the lower cap markets, coins. And according to the history, we still see 3 next months should be green, if the history will repeat. Others to if situation very similar, it's grinding through the resistance, so it's fighting there. And also compared to Bitcoin, we also had the trend reversal, bottom signals of bottoming, right, and the new trend. So what this chart telling us? This chart telling us that the next 3 months should be still up for altcoins. So altcoins should gain the value over the Bitcoin, which means Bitcoins will grow less than alts will grow. So it's good now to reallocate some of your Bitcoin to alts to get more Bitcoin afterwards. That's the main purpose. Sometimes you need to sell something to get it more. And that's paradox in life, but that's how the life is working. So yeah, crypto total market cap excluding top 10, the chart is almost the same like ETH. That's why I'm saying, ETH pump, others pump. It's usually like this. That's the same chart we already spoke about. Here we see XRP, ADA, Doge, and Solana, the decent pullback, which we are waiting for. This chart we already saw. This chart we already saw. I will have a look later why it's repeating, but anyway. And this is where we are. If we compare the historical charts, look how similar current move is. We see a lot of similarities of current era to which is a red one compared to the orange. Orange is 2017, and according to this, in the next so now we are in the day 250, and the next, like the bottom could be in 250, 260, around 10 days from now. 10 days from now, it would be the first week, second week of January, around Monday, Tuesday. Usually Tuesday is the best move. So By that time, like we are going back to work, and then there is a dump, the latest dump, and then the only move up. That would be the good scenario. The rainbow we saw, stock to flow we saw, alt season chart, this is how it looks like. So where is better to buy the alts, here or here? So it's a very good indicator for the future. Anytime alts coming here, it's good to take profits. Not all of them, but partially profits. Just take partial profit, 25%, 30%, wait for a pullback and add again. If the price will stay there for a longer period of time, that can be distribution period, right? You can keep selling indeed. You never have to sell all of them, but it's a good time to sell. Bitcoin outflows, you see the latest data 23rd of December. We don't have the 24th, but generally we can see the outflow that money from Bitcoin, from ETF. Liquidation heat map is going up and down, this we know, and the Google trends staying more or less the same. We have a decent pullback, and then the trends are usually going together with the price going up, trends going up, and vice versa. So here is the returns average. Again, we compare, then confirm January for ETH. So Ethereum quarterly returns are the strongest in Q1. Sometimes the market makers can try to trick us, but statistics are statistics. So yeah, I mean, statistics are statistics. If we look why they are so strong, it's because especially 2017, right? Basically, if we exclude 2017, we could see how the statistic, could be more realistic. But indeed, the 2017 causing the main reason why this quarter are so strong, but also 2021. So it was all about after the inauguration, the period when the Q1 was so strong. So that's exactly the case. Okay. Bitcoin number 7, really nothing changed. Very good. Congratulations, Bitcoin liquidity cycle. We are really at the bottom from this perspective here. So we have still a lot to come. And the heat map looks also very green. So, hey, I think we are set for the higher prices in Q1. But according to all data, we should wait for January to open to see and get this week low for the candle. A new 6 months, 12 months candle, and only there to catch the stop losses and go higher. So that's my trading plan. Let's put the all money, now to spot, wait patiently. If you like to open futures, I think it's wise to wait for January open and see how it will evaluate, go there. That will be everything for today. Wishing you a Merry after Christmas and preparation for a Happy New Year. Have a good day and talk to you tomorrow. Bye.